Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Boundbrook Urban Center. Now this is the second urban center being built in Jamaica and it's being built in Portland. So the first urban center was the Mark Bay Urban Center, a game changer, massive facility out in Mark Bay. But they have some issues with the rental price. It's very expensive to rent that facility. But tenants are moving in, but they're moving in slowly. Now, the Boundbrook Urban Center in Portland, it's much smaller than the Mart Bay Urban Center, and maybe based on the smaller size, the rent might be more affordable. So we have to wait and see. But the only drawback to the Mart Bay Urban Center is the cost, the rental cost. Now, these urban centers represent a game changer for Jamaica. These old towns, they need modern infrastructure. They need new facilities, and the urban centers seem to be the way to bridge that gap. So the government plans to build more urban centers around Jamaica. There is one planned for Boscobel out by the Ian Fleming International Airport, and they haven't officially broken ground on any other, but they have mentioned that other parishes will get urban centers. So we are going to give you an update on the Boundbrook Urban Center, which is already under construction. The Boundbrook Urban Center represents one of Jamaica's most ambitious efforts to modernize its towns and decentralize economic activity beyond Kingston. Located in Port Antonio, Portland, the project is being developed on lands that once formed part of the old Boundbrook Industrial Estate. Today, it is being transformed into a modern mixed-use complex designed to bring government services, commerce, and employment opportunities into a single, well-planned space. At its core, the development is intended to function as a one-stop shop for public services, while also acting as a catalyst for private investment. The complex will house key government agencies such as the Tax Administration Jamaica and the Registrar General's Department, making it easier for residents to access essential services without traveling long distances. Alongside these offices, the center will include retail shops, restaurants, financial institutions, and recreational spaces. This blend of public and private functions This blend of public and private functions is meant to create a vibrant environment where business and daily life intersect, increasing both convenience and economic activity. The scale of the project reflects its importance. Valued at over 4 billion, the Boundbrook Urban Center is being developed through a public-private partnership involving the Factories Corporation of Jamaica and major local financial institutions. Once completed, it is expected to generate thousands of jobs, particularly in the business process outsourcing (BPO) sector. For a parish like Portland, which has traditionally lagged behind other regions in terms of large-scale investment, this represents a significant opportunity to boost employment and retain skilled workers who might otherwise migrate to Kingston or overseas. Recent updates indicate that the project is making steady progress. As of 2026, construction is more than halfway complete, with major structural work already in place. The development is being built by China Harbour Engineering Company, and despite global challenges such as rising construction costs and supply chain disruptions, the project remains on track for completion within the next year or so. Notably, demand for space within the complex has been extremely strong, which makes with much of the available commercial area already reserved even before the buildings are finished. This high level of interest suggests confidence in the project's potential to transform the local economy. In conclusion, the Boundbrook Urban Center stands as a bold and forward-looking project that has the potential to reshape the economic landscape of Portland. With construction well advanced and strong interest already secured, it appears poised to deliver on many of its promises. If managed effectively, it could become a model for future urban development in Jamaica, demonstrating how strategic investment can drive growth, improve public services, and create new opportunities across the island. Alright, guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.